Never have I ever seen a product that works this good here at this livestock barn. My name's Mark Harold. I have been the general manager here for a little over 22 years now. My biggest thing is accountability for the livestock, for my order buyers, to make sure that they get the animals that they purchase here at this market. And since we've been in this program, we've went on our own. Our traceability is 100% with our order buyers getting the cattle that they buy here. And reason being, it's due to the high frequency back tags that we put here on our animals. Here at this market, we identify every animal with a back tag. Come on a little bit. And it's the high frequency electronic back tag. Before it'd take me 6 hours to clear this barn, I can do it in 30 minutes now because I can trace and track these animals with this high frequency.
And count up at the end of the sale. If we're trying to look for an animal in a pen or find out which one is the wrong animal in the pen, we can run it through the scanners and the scanners automatically tell us, here, this one's the wrong one.
What you'll see, like every one of these tag numbers here, that's our electronic back tags that read through the reader once they come through the scales. But what happens, say at the end of the sale, we'll count each individual pen and say like pin 34, it's showing they should be 18 head, but there's only 17. And you take pin 36, you know, it may be 15 head. So right off the get-go, I know I'm one calf over in this pen. So once I take these calves and run them through the reader, it'll tell me what calf doesn't belong, and 9 times out of 10, that calf goes into that pen. So it takes us just a minute to cut that calf out of this pen and put it in here. So now my pens are right with 18 head there, like the order buyer bought, 14 head here instead of the 15 head.
And before our system, this would take you how long by hand?
It would take us a good 2 hours or better, because now we don't have to.
Now you can verify within minutes.
Within minutes.
So if I took this across the wholesale with 8 or 9 order buyers, this could take 16 hours.
Easily. We're done less than an hour.
For the past decade, Microtrax has been developing and refining a complete solution that addresses the most critical challenges of the livestock industry: animal disease traceability, speed of commerce performance, inventory accuracy, and transparency. Our solution provides highly accurate, real-time data that enables the business owner to focus on running the operation and maximizing profitability, all while collecting in real time all critical data required by regulatory bodies. The Microtrax team has built a high-trust culture that is key to our successful strategy execution and long-term business success. Our business principles are simple, yet timeless. Customer-first focus and proven, reliable, exceptional performance in all we do. Reclaim your time, get accurate headcounts in seconds, and reduce staff overtime. Click or call today.